Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. It is 8:27 in the morning, February 13th, 2025. Very late to the party today, but hey, it's my party. I could show up anytime I want, right? So, dollar yen, we're going to be starting our analysis off in dollar yen today. I did not expect that rally yesterday. What a rally. I'm glad I called the low point that it had a hold above, and market took off and blew through every level that I had, and I was quite astonished at it. It was a great day. It was a great rally. Anyway, so where do we stand today? What's the story today? Well, we have slight support right now. Really, we have a minor support right at 80, like right where we are right now. This price right here, say 799, that's fine. We have a very minor support here. There's another level of support right behind it, 153.54. It looks like the marketplace is dripping. Yeah, it's kind of drifting down like into this area here. Dollar yen is right now obviously slightly bullish, but in order for it to continue its bull run today, it needs to get over 154, say 35. So I'm going to say this is the trigger price for today, 154. I'm going to go up to this low bar, this down bar's close right there, 154.35. It needs to get over to continue strength on the day. Now, I know we had a high at 80, but really there's the first level of resistance at 154.71. If it continues and breaks 154.71, most likely we're heading towards 155.36 is the next level of resistance. If this level, if we can't get above this level and we start drifting lower, we're heading towards 153.15, and then there's an ultimate price lower at 152.40. Let me just throw it right there. 152.40. Now that would be a good retracement level, but it would also make me suspect of the last rally that we had. That is the important price. Really, 152.40 is like the critical price. In order for this whole leg to stay up, it needs to stay above this. It needs to really not really break, say, 60. It needs to be, it can retrace down to 152.60. It's a natural reaction. It's fine. But it can't break that 40. If it breaks that 40, it means that whole rally was off. Something was up. That was just short covering. That was just panic. So that's what we stand right now. Anyway, so let me exit this drawing mode right now. And here we go. We're pouncing off that level right now. And trying to get up over the 34. All right, let's go over to sterling dollar. Again, sterling dollar, it attempted this 125.20 level. It was good that it's rallied a little bit. It's starting to shift from breaking, like we were talking about in the last analysis, like it's in a big rectangle and it's breaking downward. Now it's not. The critical price for this thing is, hang on, let me get some good numbers. Okay, 123 the figure. 123 the figure is the critical price for this thing. So let's go 122. Let's go 122. Hang on here. 122.90. Okay, give it a little skid. 122.90 is the critical price to keep sterling in like a slightly bullish scenario. Okay, Now there is resistance. Obviously, we said yesterday there was resistance like 125.60 right above it. It's going to have a fight all the way up because it's been in, you know, a downward movement and really just not doing anything. So sterling right now, so what I'm saying here is, like, this point, this 122.90 is the important level to say that we can potentially start to recover in sterling back up to the 127, 128 level. But as it stands right now, it has a slight resistance at 124. $80. If it can't get above those 124.80 to, like, soon, what we're doing, we're drifting down to 124.10-ish, 124.10. Right there. So cable right now is trading in this rectangle. Okay, it needs to get above this close, this high bars close. If it could do that today, we got a good shot at hang on, I'll tell you exactly where a good shot at. Yeah. Well, we got 125.50, like we said before, was really, that's, if we could get through that level, we got 125.50 to overcome, and then a potential to 126.10. So we got this level to overcome to get through this high bars close, which is nothing really. 125, is that right? 125.08. Yeah. And then we got 125. You got like a resistance at 25, and then 125.57. I mean, it's just resistance all the way up with this thing. So this is the key price to basically try to punch through. This is your resistance level right now, right here, 80. It can't get above 80. It's drifting lower to, you know, you got to first look at this area of consolidation right there. And then look at like the low bars close, 124.40. A break of 124.40 gets us to 124.10. Okay, let's go over to sterling yen. This one was amazing move yesterday. I could tell you stories of this one. I mean, this one yesterday, I got short. Hang on, I'll tell you exactly where I got short yesterday. Short, think about it. My system gave me a signal, go short at 191. I think I got short at 191.25 or 23. And I had like a 30-point stop on it, and the market just dropped to 190, like 70, 65, 70. But it was wide, of course, wide quote, you know. So it was like 65, 80, you know, 70, 70, 70, 80, you know, like it was bouncing back and forth. And it was so fast. That movement was so fast. You know, I got some of my position back at like 88, and the rest I got back at like 5-point profit, like 18. So it was like I made nothing. It was so quick. That market was lightning fast. And I said, you know something? Something's up with this thing. I'm like, this thing is not like in normal mode right now. There's some, there's some buyers here, and because that was wicked. I mean, when markets react like that, they're whispering in your ear something. They're telling you like, hey, this is not a normal day today, and what a rally up, I mean. But anyway, so where are we right now? Well, we made the high of 193.06. Let's see where we are in the sterling yen. My favorite that I love to trade here. If there's a resistance at 193.17 that I should have told you about yesterday. I didn't think we were going up this high, this quick, but hey, there you go. 93.20 is the main resistance. Okay, well, for today actually, but as it stands right now. Okay, so we're drifting right now lower to like 191.10. Break of 191.10 really opens up a way to like 190.50 again. Now, the critical price for sterling yen for this whole like upward leg, just like we were talking about with the cable, for this like recent upward leg from that all important point of 190. Remember I talked about 190 a while ago? I said that's a really important point. Is this level right here, 189 the figure. In order for this thing to say that it's continuing upward towards the 195, 196 again, possibly even getting up and going higher, is that price. The 189 is the critical price. So make mental note of that. That is a really important price point. If that price point breaks, you need to start to watch for like selling rallies again. Right now, this thing is a buy dips type of scenario right now. And I'm even cautious with that. I look at it like with one eye closed going, do I really believe this? I still believe the yen's stronger. I know I was a dollar yen bull. I haven't lost faith in that yet, but I'm watching it. I don't trade what my biases are. I just trade what the market is. All right, so we're drifting towards 191.10. All right, what does it need to get over right now? It needs to get over 192 the figure. Right now, as it stands, 192 the figure. That is the price that it needs to get over to start to recover, and I'll put it in red. That is the critical price right now as it stands at 8:42 in the morning, February 13th, 2025. If we break 10, we're heading towards, there's got to be a better level. Hang on, let me tell you. 190, come on. The only thing I got is 190.40 after that. 190.40. 190.40, which is very close to this price. So let me just, 190.40. All right, so if it breaks 40, we got a problem. Now, if it gets down to 40 and can rally back above, like say back above this 190.110, then we're starting to show strength again. So this would be fine. I mean, this is all natural reaction. Market just does that. But the first warning is this 190, say 25 level. A break of that means we're trading back down into this. But remember that critical price of 189. Let's go over to euro yen. I got to exit this drawing mode. Euro yen. Here we go. All right. Okay. Euro yen. Coming off this high of like 161.20. There should have been support at 159.90. This is disheartening that this is breaking, and most likely we're heading towards right now, 159, say 35-ish. Fine, 159.39. But in order for this thing to show any type of recovery strength, really it needs to get some muzzle velocity above this 151.97. This price is a very important price. This is a critical price. This one down here, 159, the figure, is a critical price. Basically what that price is saying is that if it breaks, that this whole upward leg that happened again was don't believe the hype type of thing, and we're trading back down into these levels again. So 159, the figure, is the most important price for euro yen. It's very close. So it's bearish right now. And hang on, let me see if I can get a better level, a tighter level. So it's got two important points. It's got this 159.90, and then it's got a catapult point, or a point where you could say, okay, we're breaking higher at hang on, exit this. If we could get through 160.20, that would be the point that, oops, 160.20. Right there would be the point saying, okay, we got a chance to go back up. Right now, we're drifting lower towards this 148, say 149.50, which is, it's right here. A break of that opens this critical price. So that's what we have. Sorry so late to get these out today, but remember always, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Leave some comments for me. And remember always, enjoy the party, but dance through the door. Cheers.